welcome back to another episode with Garel's Garage. Roger says hi, by the way. And the engineering behind this product is really neat, where it outperforms all the other Molle panels that are out there. Because for those, you usually have to drill into the speaker bar or the plastic in front of behind the windshield. We'll go over what comes within the kit, all the bits and pieces, and then we'll jump into the installation. And yeah, stick along. What happened to facing the camera? We have our Molle panels. These are aluminum, super light, by the way. Now you can get they offer them in 3 different finishes. You can get them in a textured black, a matte black, I believe, and the third is a raw finish. Obviously, I got the one in raw finish because, as you guys probably know, if you stick along with the channel for a while, I like to do my own thing, but functionality matters, but at the same time, styling and looks are very important. All the hardware is included. We got some locking nuts and everything, so that looks good. We got 4 straps with metal buckles, which I'll explain when we do our installation. We got some decals with some gear. And yeah, and then the next picture I'm going to prompt on the screen. This is all the included brackets. Now, these brackets are not aluminum. These are steel. Uh, just to maintain the engineering of making that whole process sturdy, right? And so I went ahead and painted these all black. I'm going to keep this the aluminum finish. I like this, and I'm gonna throw some red touches on it to the accents because my interior headline is black, red, and somewhat of a raw finish as well, which I'll show. Step 1 of this installation is we'll have to remove the freedom panels, and then we'll begin from there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use these 2 brackets. They look a little better after the paint. One's basically gonna go here. It's gonna tie in these 2 panels together, basically. So we'll do that, and I'm just putting from the outside in. Lock that. These are Allen head bolts. They're the same size, so it doesn't matter. You can use whichever one, wherever. These are a 10 millimeter nut, and we're just going to tighten it. Some wrist torque on these. Installing these 2 brackets and everything is tightened. We'll flip this over, and oh, by the way, this logo, I have done that red. That looks pretty good with that raw finish. And after that, we are going to be using these 2 brackets. These are the steel brackets. So also painted these. To be mindful on these is there's a hole on this side, and this is where that plastic clip goes in for the freedom panel. So this needs to be aligned the correct way. So if you're looking up, you're going to see the bottom of this panel, right? So this hole needs to be in the front. Same thing on that side. So like that. Just snug those 8 bolts on both the sides, and then we'll put the straps through those loops. First thing we're going to do is we're going to align these to match the holes on both the sides. This is where that freedom panel plastic needle thing is going to drop. And then after that, simply grab one end of it and loop it through these. Then just align the hole and tighten it down. Let me show you with a different angle. We're just gonna tighten these down. And then there are rubber pads on these. So that's just to dampen it down. No buckle noises, no rattle noises basically. Um, the straps are quite overkill, but you can cut these down or you can just loop these through however you want to tuck them in. But yeah, there you go. Sweet, simple system. They do qualify this to ride this without the Freedom panel, so you're okay to cruise around with the top off, and it's as easy as just unbuckling these and. Or if you don't want to cut the straps, I just zip tied them on the top end, so they're tucked away and out of sight. Here it is. I really like this design. It's tucked up nice, out of the way. Uh, no drilling required again, and you can run this without the Freedom panels. These straps will just hold it just fine. And easy to remove too, you just got to unbuckle these 4 straps and you can remove the entire assembly. And yeah, there's also room at the top so you can keep some microfiber towels or flashlight or sunglasses or whatever you want, right? And here you can hard mount your radios, handhelds, flashlights, knives, name it. So yeah, I'm gonna be personalizing this in upcoming week or so. But yeah, really happy with it. And another thing, as you're climbing in and out, you won't be banging your head on this. I tested that because this is in the way, so you'll be just fine. But yeah, um, give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment section is always open. Share it with someone that might enjoy this, and yeah, subscribe for more. Thank you.